Needing something different for Taco Tuesday or a one skillet meal? Well, how about a taco pasta skillet? I know, right? Delicious. Let's get started. There are 3 parts to this meal: the seasonings, the pasta, and the toppings. We're gonna go over the seasonings and we'll come to the pasta and toppings a little bit later. In a bowl, you'll need to combine smoked paprika, chili powder, cumin, dry mustard, coriander, and onion powder. The ingredients for the pasta are 1 ear of corn, lean ground beef, shallots, garlic clove minced, Mexican blend shredded cheese, tomato sauce, salt and pepper, and of course, your pasta. Now let's set our oven to broil and let's char our corn. You're going to place it on a sheet pan and cook it for 1 minute on each side. Remove it and then slice the kernels off the cob. Okay, let's preheat our oven to 375, cook and drain our pasta and set it aside as well. All right, we are halfway there. Let's move on to our ground beef mixture. In a large skillet over medium-high heat, add olive oil, your ground beef, season with salt and pepper, and cook for 3 to 4 minutes. Next, add your shallots and garlic and then your taco seasoning. Our beef is done. It's time to put everything together in the skillet. Stir in your tomato sauce and reduce the heat. Simmer and cook for 10 minutes. You may need to add 2 tablespoons of water if it starts to thicken. Fold in your cooked pasta, corn, and lastly, my favorite part, the cheese. Sprinkle evenly over the top and into the oven it goes for 6 to 8 minutes or until the cheese is melted. It's time to load on the toppings and dig in. Today I'm using sliced Roma tomatoes, some jalapenos, green onion, and a little bit of avocado. You know what? Good things come to those who wait, and you definitely deserve to enjoy this cheesy Tex-Mex recipe. It's simple, easy, and kid-friendly. Now you enjoy it, and I will see you next time on Fresh Dish Foodie.